Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle. Today I wanted to show you a 2026 SPX 210 from Sea Ray. This model has the sports tower, the dune interior. One of my favorite features on this boat is the manually deployable swim platform. You can pull this down, makes it real easy to get in and out of the boat while you're swimming in the water. Makes for a great lake day. Welcome to the inside of this SPX 210. The other favorite thing I have on this boat, I love how the seating is set up. So you can sit facing rearward watching the action, or you can sit facing forward and watch where you're headed. Another great feature on this 21-foot boat is it has tons of storage space. There's storage under the bow cushions. There's a storage locker here on the passenger side of the helm. There's a giant floor locker, so you can put skis, tubes, those kind of things down there. And then storage under these seats. There's even a great spot to put a cooler. So come on by, check out this Sea Ray here at MarineMax Dallas.